Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The LG 27GS75QXB represents a focused approach to the modern gaming display, balancing high-speed technical specifications with a functional design aesthetic. This 27-inch monitor is built around a quad high-definition resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. This specific resolution is often cited as the current sweet spot for desktop computing and gaming because it provides a significant increase in detail and workspace over standard high definition without requiring the extreme hardware resources demanded by 4K displays. The use of an in-plane switching panel ensures that color reproduction remains consistent and accurate even when the screen is viewed from various angles, which is a common requirement for both media consumption and professional tasks. At its core, this hardware is designed to bridge the gap between entry-level displays and professional-grade competitive equipment, offering a feature set that prioritizes motion clarity and responsiveness while maintaining the visual fidelity expected from a contemporary IPS panel. In terms of physical construction and industrial design, the monitor follows a functional philosophy that emphasizes versatility. The stand is a central feature of the build, offering a wide range of ergonomic adjustments including tilt, height, and pivot functions. This allows the display to be raised or lowered to match the eye level of the individual, tilted to reduce glare from overhead lighting, or even rotated 90 degrees into a portrait orientation. Portrait mode is particularly useful for tasks involving long strings of code, reading vertical documents, or managing secondary stream chats and social media feeds. The chassis itself is finished in a matte black, designed to be unobtrusive in a variety of environments ranging from a dedicated gaming setup to a more traditional home office. The thin bezels on three sides of the panel facilitate a more immersive viewing experience and make the monitor a strong candidate for multi-display configurations where minimizing the gap between screens is a priority. Connectivity is handled through standard ports including DisplayPort and HDMI, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of graphics cards and gaming consoles. The overall build quality reflects a focus on stability, with a base designed to provide a firm foundation while occupying a reasonable amount of desk space. Performance is where this monitor distinguishes itself, specifically regarding its motion handling and synchronization technologies. The native refresh rate of 180 Hz provides a very smooth visual experience, but the hardware is capable of being overclocked to 200 Hz. This high refresh rate means the screen can update the image up to 200 times per second, which is critical for reducing motion blur in fast-paced scenarios such as first-person shooters or racing simulations. To complement this speed, the panel features a 1 millisecond gray-to-gray response time, which minimizes the ghosting or trailing effects that can occur when pixels change colors rapidly. The inclusion of NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility and AMD FreeSync support is another vital performance aspect. These technologies synchronize the refresh rate of the monitor with the frame rate output of the graphics card, effectively eliminating screen tearing and stuttering. This synchronization ensures that even if the frame rate fluctuates during demanding gameplay sequences, the visual output remains fluid and cohesive. Furthermore, the monitor supports HDR10, which allows for a wider dynamic range and better contrast in content that is mastered for high dynamic range. While the peak brightness of standard IPS panels has limitations compared to specialized HDR displays, the inclusion of this feature allows for better detail in the highlights and shadows of compatible games and movies. This monitor is best suited for a specific demographic of computer users who prioritize a competitive edge without sacrificing general-purpose utility. It is an ideal choice for gamers who participate in titles where every millisecond of latency and every frame of animation can impact the outcome of a match. The jump from a standard 60 or even 144 Hz display to 200 Hz is often described as a transformative experience in terms of how responsive a system feels to user input. Beyond the gaming community, this hardware is also well suited for office professionals and creative hobbyists. The 1440p resolution offers roughly 77% more screen space than a standard 1080p monitor, which translates to better multitasking capabilities and clearer text rendering. For those who spend long hours at a desk, the ergonomic stand provides significant health benefits by allowing for a posture-correcting setup. It is also a viable option for those who use a single screen for both work and play, as the IPS panel provides the color accuracy needed for photo editing or video work, while the high refresh rate handles high-end gaming requirements during leisure time. To conclude, the LG 27GS75QXB is a comprehensive display solution that manages to integrate several high-end specifications into a single package. By offering a 200 Hz overclocked refresh rate alongside a 1 millisecond response time and a crisp QHD resolution, it addresses the primary needs of the modern enthusiast. The inclusion of robust synchronization technologies like G-Sync and FreeSync ensures that the performance is not just fast, but also stable and visually clean. While its focus is clearly on speed and gaming efficiency, the thoughtful design of the ergonomic stand and the inherent benefits of the IPS panel make it a versatile tool for a variety of desktop applications. It represents a balanced approach to hardware, focusing on the features that have the most direct impact on the day-to-day experience of the user. At the time of writing, this monitor is available for approximately $129, positioning it as a highly accessible option for those looking to upgrade their visual experience. It offers a clear path for anyone looking to transition into high refresh rate 1440p gaming without moving into the much higher price brackets associated with ultra-wide or 4K displays. When examining the technical nuances of the display further, the pixel density of a 27-inch 1440p screen is approximately 108 pixels per inch. This density is widely considered the sweet spot for desktop use because it allows for sharp imagery and legible text without requiring the use of operating system scaling features that can sometimes cause software compatibility issues. This clarity is essential for long-term comfort during extended sessions of reading or detailed work. The IPS technology used here is specifically engineered to maintain color integrity, which means that the reds, greens, and blues you see on the screen remain consistent regardless of your sitting position. This is a marked improvement over older panel technologies where colors might shift or wash out if you move your head slightly to the side. The high refresh rate of 200 Hz also has benefits outside of gaming, as even simple tasks like moving a cursor or scrolling through a long web page feel significantly smoother and more responsive to the touch. The monitor also includes various internal software features designed to enhance the experience based on the type of content being viewed. There are typically multiple preset modes that adjust brightness, contrast, and color balance to suit different genres, such as fast-paced action or more cinematic adventures. For those concerned about eye fatigue, many modern displays in this category include features to reduce blue light emissions and eliminate flickering, which helps in maintaining comfort during late-night sessions. The physical connectivity options are also worth noting, as having both HDMI and DisplayPort allows for multiple devices to be connected simultaneously, such as a primary gaming personal computer and a secondary laptop or gaming console. This flexibility makes it a central hub for a multi-device workspace. The stand's small footprint is another practical advantage, as it leaves more room on the desk for peripherals like keyboards, mice, and large mouse pads. Overall, the combination of a high-performance panel, a versatile and ergonomic stand, and a competitive price point of around $129 makes this a notable contender in the current display market. It provides a meaningful upgrade path for those still using older 60 Hz technology, delivering a sharper, faster, and more ergonomic experience for a wide range of digital activities. It is a tool designed for the demands of current software, ensuring that the hardware can keep pace with the increasingly high standards of modern visual media and interactive entertainment. By focusing on the fundamentals of resolution, speed, and ergonomics, this monitor serves as a reliable cornerstone for any contemporary desktop environment. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.